JT here with New England Auto and Truck, parting out a 2006 Jeep Commander, stock number N01159. Looks like it has 120K on it. Vehicle for the most part is in really great condition, as you can see there. Hood's a 000, nothing wrong with it. Grill's looking good. Front bumper's looking good. Moving up the left side of the vehicle. Front left fender right there looking good, as is the left front knee, complete with the control arm spindle and strut. Good looking mirror right there. Fantastic looking doors here, a couple 000s. As is the quarter panel on the left side. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, got a 000 lid gate, looking real nice. That's with the hinges. Bumper covers got a few cracks in it, but the rebar inside should be great. Right side of the vehicle, not as perfect condition. As you can see, it's where the brunt of the damage is. Pretty much just the right mirror right there is looking good for this vehicle. Right front fender, also looking good, no damage up front. Right front knee, also looking good. That is with the control arm spindle and strut, as stated on the left side. Moving here to the interior of the vehicle, you can hear that the engine's running. I'll rev it a couple times for you. It's sounding nice. Interior of the vehicle is very clean. We got two great looking seats up front here. Rear seat as well, looking nice. No deployed bags inside. Trim panels are looking nice. We do have a sunroof here. And like I said, that is our 2006 Jeep Commander, stock number N01159. If you have any questions, give our sales guys a call.